going to adjust your right side. I'm going to set you up here, nice and relaxed. Okay, nice and easy adjustment. I'm going to give you adjustment now, right here. On this way. Good. That's the second adjustment ever. What do you think about that? Be honest.
Felt pretty crazy.
Don't twist or turn, okay?
Okay.
Good. Okay, so easier now.
Traction. Okay, here we go. Good. Fantastic.
All right.
Last part.
Now, you just keep your teeth together. Take a breath through your nose. Let all your out. Good girl. Now you felt that all the way down, didn't you? Keep breathing. Yeah. You're still kicking. You're alright. Okay. The initial soreness that you get from this adjustment is because your spine's been developing cumulative fibrotic.
Soft tissue work and chiropractic adjustment along with electronic stimulation, vibration plate, so on and so forth. Relax right here for me. We're going to get some movement here. Very good. Okay. Relax right in here for me. Very good. Good. Excellent. Okay. Good movement. Good. Right in here. Right over here. All right. I want you to take a deep breath in for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Let's have you lay facing the opposite way for me. Same thing here, top leg bent, bottom leg straight. We want to keep motion into that L5-S1 region. So we're doing at this point during the adjustments is we're concentrating on the sacral ilial region with L5 to try to create some motion so we can try to rehydrate that disc with chiropractic manipulation. Okay, so I want you to breathe in, completely exhale. Very good.
Teeth together, let all your air out. Just relax. Oh yeah. Yeah. Did you feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
Woo. Ring dinger.
I didn't expect it.
Yeah, that's definitely a ring dinger. Okay, let it go. Kind of reminds me of Anthony's reaction. I got you. No, let me have your head. Wiggle your right big toe. There you go. Okay.